Baby. Baby. It's the real hair challenge, but you don't have to do the wig like that. Wigs are real hair, too. You don't have to be like that. Why would you chew my wig? Huh? Oh, gosh. This is the real hair challenge. Mooda is expressing why he prefers real hair over a wig. I thought the wig was cute, but now he wants to tear the wig apart. Give me my wig back. Give me my wig back. Give me my wig back. Give me my wig. Give her back. Give her back. Give her back. Give her back, Mooda. Give her back. Free her. Real hair challenge.